In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message to sellers in Facebook Marketplace. Connecting with sellers is a straightforward process that can enhance your buying experience by promptly addressing any inquiries or concerns. Let's walk through this step by step to ensure you're able to do it with ease. First, open your web browser and head over to Facebook. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so now. Enter your login details and click on the login button. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up by providing the necessary information. It's quick and you'll need an account to proceed. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your Facebook homepage. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a variety of features that Facebook offers. Look for the Marketplace icon and click on it. The Marketplace is a hub where users buy and sell items within their community and beyond, and it's filled with everything from used furniture to electronics. After entering the Marketplace, focus on the new options or sections that appear within this space. One of these will be labeled as Inbox. Clicking on the inbox is your gateway to communicate directly with sellers about items that have caught your eye. Here's where all your previous conversations with sellers are stored, allowing you to keep track of any ongoing negotiations or inquiries. Now browse through your inbox to find the conversation with the seller you'd like to reach out to. This could be a chat about an item you've previously expressed interest in, or simply a new message thread. These discussions are neatly organized, so take your time finding the right one. Once you've clicked on the desired conversation, don't hesitate to type out your message. Whether you have questions about the item's condition, price, or availability, being clear and polite is always a good practice. For example, you could start with a greeting, then ask your question or express your interest. Once your message is ready, simply hit send. Engaging with sellers through Facebook Marketplace is as simple as that. Remember, communication is key when buying from online platforms, as it helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures a smooth transaction process. Always be courteous and detailed in your messages to facilitate effective communication. And there you have it, a seamless guide to contacting sellers in Facebook Marketplace. Now you can confidently reach out, clarify any specifications, and proceed with purpose when making purchases. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shopping!